So just want to discuss a new mask that you might be seeing here at St. Alphonsus in Boise. It's called the Oxymask, and it's by Health Medical. It's got a few different features than a simple mask or a non-rebreather mask. You can see these big holes in it. That decreases the risk of the patient if the mask is set up at too low of a flow from rebreathing their own CO2. The mask itself is just like any traditional mask. It has a hookup for the O2 flow meter. Then the oxygen will go up the piping here and into the patient with this little directional device here. And so it works really well. We can offer FiO2s anywhere from 1 liter is the minimum the mask can run. That's about 24%, up to 12 to 15 liters. You'll get between 59-ish and 65% for your FiO2. So it's a great in between before we may have to go to a high flow nasal cannula or super cannula. We can use this. And if the patient's requiring a little bit more than 6 liters on a nasal cannula, we can always switch to this. So this is it. It's called an Oxymask. Right on the tag here is where you're going to see the different percentages for the different liter flows. And again, it can go down to 1 liter. You can go as high as 15 liters on this mask. The risk is less if we're running at 10 liters or 6 liters or 4 liters because the patient can't rebreathe their CO2 because of the holes in the mask. Works really well. Hope you enjoy it. Take care and have a great day.